Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about a new topic and the topic name is linear equations in one variable class 8. ठीक है, linear equations in one variable. Okay, let's start. Let's look at here. Before discussing about that exercises 2.1, I have to say something else. What is the meaning of linear equation? What do you mean by that, like that? What do you mean by linear equations? Okay, just look at here. Suppose I'm writing x plus 5. ठीक है, just look at here. Let's suppose I'm writing x plus 5. You have to say x plus 5 is a what? Linear equation in one variable. That is, this is only one variable you are using, so that is why you have to say x plus 5 is a what? Linear equation in one variable. ठीक है, one variable. Okay, suppose I have to say like this, x plus y plus 10. This is a what? So this is a linear equation in two variables. How many variables you are using here? Two variables. अच्छा, what do you mean by linear? Linear का मतलब क्या है? So what is the meaning of that? So that means the power of the variable should be maximum 1 here. Look at it, x plus 5. So here power is what? Maximum 1. Okay, so that is why this is called as a linear equation. Suppose I am saying x to the power q plus 10. This is not a linear equation. This is not a linear equation because the power of the variable is greater than 1. ठीक है, so that is the logic is saying that a linear equation power of the variable should be maximum 1. ठीक है, so x cube plus 10, this is not a linear equation. ठीक है, so whereas suppose I have to say another example. Let suppose I'm saying that is y plus 5. Yes, this is a linear equation. Look at here, y plus 5. So that is power is what? 1. So this is a linear equation with one variable. Only one variable is there. ठीक है, but suppose I have to say like this, that is y plus z plus 10. ठीक है, so this one is a linear equation with two variables. How many variables? Two variables. ठीक है, so this is the linear equation with how many variables? Two variables here. Okay, but here we are going to discuss about the linear equation in one variable. ठीक है, so this is the linear equation in one variable. This is also the linear equation in one variable. Clear? Okay, fine, good. So now the exercise 2.1. So I have to discuss now, that is exercise 2.1. ठीक है, question number 1, x minus 2 equal to 7. Look at here, question number 1, that is x minus 2 is equal to 7. ठीक है, solve the following equations. How can you solve? Very interesting, very easy also. Look at here, x minus 2 equal to 7. Okay, you have to write in such a manner that the left hand side should be x. You have to balance the left hand side should be in x. How can you write in such a manner? Look at here, I have to write x minus 2 plus 2 because I am adding here plus 2. Obviously I have to add in right hand side, that is plus 2. ठीक है, yes or no? So that is x minus 2 plus 2. So minus 2 plus 2 cancellation. So you are getting x value 7 plus 2 is what? 9. So this is your answer. ठीक है, that means you have to find the value of x. आपको करना क्या है? You have to find the value of x. So in this way you are going to find out the value of x. Okay, ठीक है. So now move on to the question number 2. What is the question number 2? Y plus 3 equal to 10. Y plus 3 is equal to 10. Look at here, y plus 3 equal to 10. Same thing is that you have to write LHS side, that is y. You have to write y. How can you write y? Look at here, that is y plus 3 minus 3 is equal to, so that is 10 minus 3 because I have to write minus 3 both side in LHS and RHS. ठीक है, so that is I have to write the minus 3 both in LHS or in RHS also, both side LHS and RHS. So plus 3 minus 3 cancellation. So what you are getting, that is y equal to 10 minus 3 is what? 7. So y equal to 7 is your answer. ठीक है, okay, fine. Okay, now move on to the next question. Question number 3. Okay, question number 3 is 6. Look at here, question number 3 is 6 equal to z plus 2. Z plus 2. 6 is equal to z plus 2. So LHS side, that is left hand side 6, RHS right hand side z plus 2. ठीक है, what you have to write over here? You have to write the variable in one side. Okay, how can you write here? I have to write here in RHS z plus 2 minus 2 because I have to write here. Okay, z plus 2 minus 2. Obviously you have to subtract here, that is z minus, sorry, 6 minus 2, and left hand side 6 minus 2. So right hand side, that is z plus 2 minus 2. समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं? So z plus 2 minus 2. Okay, clear? So both side you are writing here minus 2 minus 2. ठीक है, clear? So plus 2 minus 2 cancellation. So z 6 minus 2 is what? 4. So 4 equal to Z. So what is the meaning of this? It means Z is equal to 4. So you are getting Z value is what? 4. So Z equal to 4. ठीक है, बहुत बढ़िया, very good. Now move on to the question number 4. Very easy, very easy. Look at here, question number 4. So there is 3 by 7 plus x is equal to 17 by 7. 17 by 7. Look at here, very easy, very easy, very easy. 3 by 7 plus x. You have to arrange LHS, that is left hand side, x value only. Okay? And RSH that you have to find out. How can you find out? Look at here. So 3 by 7 plus x, this thing you can also write like this. That is x plus 3 by 7, no doubt both are also right. X plus 3, 7, LHS, left hand side I am writing x plus 3 by 7 is equal to RHS already there, that is 17 by 7. Okay? Okay, I have to make x value in LHS. Okay, how can you write here? You have to add minus 3 by 7. You have to add minus 3 by 7 both in LHS and RHS, both sides. Okay, so that is x plus 3 by 7 minus 3 by 7. Okay, fine. So RHS side you have to write 17 by 7 minus 3 by 7. Okay, fine. So now look at here. After that, both are cancellation. Okay. So what are you getting? X value. So that is here LCM is what? 7. 17 minus 3. What is that? 14. 14 by 7. Okay. So 14 by 7. Cut. Cancellation. You are getting 2. Okay. So what you are getting? You are getting X value is equal to 2. You are getting X value equal to 2. Okay. You are getting X value 2. Okay. Fine. Okay. So now move on to the question number 5. Look at here, question number 5. Question number 5. So look at here, question number 5. Question number 5, 6x is equal to 12. 6x is equal to 12. Look at here, 6x is equal to 12. Okay, you have to write the value of x in LHS. Okay, you have to write in such a manner that the value of x should be in LHS. How can you write? How can you write? Just look at here. 6x. तो मैं यहाँ पे कैसा नंबर लिखूंगा so that I will get the value x only. ठीक है, तो 6 कट जाएगा तो क्या करूंगा? What I have to do here? I have to divide 6 both side LHS as well as RHS. I have to divide 6 both side LHS and RHS. ठीक है, तो divide 6 कर दो LHS and RHS both side में. So that is here 6x by 6 divide कर लो and यहाँ पे RHS that is 12 by 6. ठीक है, तो 6x by 6, so 6 cancellation, you are getting here x equal to 12 by 6 cancellation, you are getting 2. So x value equal to 2. You are getting x value is equal to 2. ठीक है, fine. Okay, good, very good, very good. So now move on to the next question. Question number 6. Question number 6 is that is t by 5 is equal to 10. T by 5 is equal to 10. How can you do this? How can you do this? Look at here, t by 5 is equal to 10. तो LHS side, left hand side, ऐसा क्या नंबर लिखूंगा so that मुझे t मिलेगा? ठीक है, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में मैं क्या लिखूंगा so that मुझे t मिलेगा? What number you have to write here in LHS so that it will get the value of t only? ठीक है, so what you have to write here? Simple, you have to multiply 5 both in LHS as well as RHS. What you have to do? You have to multiply 5 both in LHS as well as RHS. ठीक है, multiply करो. So that is t by 5 multiply 5 here LHS side and RHS side also multiply 5. ठीक है, good, very good. So 5 cancellations, you are getting t value 10 into 5. What is that? 50. ठीक है, so this is your answer. This is your answer. Fine. ठीक है, so up to question number 6, up to question 6 that we have already finished. We discussed all these things from question number 1 to question number 6. Okay, if you really like this video, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, students, thank you very much. Thank you.